Dollar Tree haul. I found some new stuff and stuff that we are going to be needing eventually. So if you want to see what I picked up, start like I said, not any particular order because I got so much stuff and I don't have it organized in a category. But anyway, let's start off with some snacks, y'all. I got these Brims cheese balls. They're, I think, 9 ounces, and they are very good. I was surprised, so I picked them up again. So those are the two snacks. I got this MC Trader, got another bag of rice for my pantry, and I may be doing a tour of my pantry. I cleaned it out Friday, and now I can actually walk in. I got this Brims cheese popcorn. It's good. I didn't see the popcorn that I normally buy, so I just picked this one up. And then for a little bit of sauce and stuff for Cinco de Mayo, I just picked up this little small bag of chips. This bag used to be bigger than this, but as you know, everything is shrinking. This is 8.5 ounces. Let's see, what else? Some of these bags I had on from the last trip. I didn't show y'all. Look, some more pantry stuff. I got this Kraft Original, what is this? 18 ounce barbecue sauce. Look, I got my reading glasses on over here this time, y'all. So, I picked up 2 of these. I don't know where I'm going to put all this mess. Got some coffee creamer, hazelnut, the powdered kind in case we are not able to find the liquid kind. I got some 32 cups, some instant coffee, just in case. This is all for the pantry. I found this. I hope this is good. This is Golden Farms Honey Mustard Dipping Sauce, rich and flavorful. 12 ounces, y'all. Look, and it comes in a cute little bottle. So I hope this is good. I'll let y'all know. If you tried it before, let me know in the comments below. And I picked up a can of sweet cream corn. For something I made actually yesterday, but I found I already had a bag in there. Alright, this is still a couple bags that I picked up from a few days ago. I got some gold dial soap. It's 2 bars in the pack. And just some pads. And I got this for my dog. I gave him another one. I'm going to try to link the picture below what he did to it. So if you get any toys from the Dollar Tree for your dog, just keep an eye on them while they're playing with it, because he tore that thing all to pieces. This is Oatmeal Coconut Sugar Soap Works soap, so I thought I'd try that. It does smell like coconut. And I'm going to try this, but I don't have much faith. It's a little harness for my dog so that I don't be pulling around his neck because he'd be choking. But if this is anything like the toy, he's going to break free. Okay, what else did I get in here? I got some Huggies Simply Clean wipes. Perfect for hands, face, and the bottom. So I'm collecting these because you never know. I have not been able to find toilet paper, y'all. I'm glad I had a stash. Well, when I found out that Walmart and Dollar Tree didn't have toilet paper back in the early March, I got out there and found me some. But not a lot. I wasn't greedy. I found these little toys, well, figurines that I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them, but I thought they were cute. They're the Incredibles. We got Mr. Incredible. And then we got Mr. Not Mr., but Jack. And then we got Elastigirl. Oh, snap. Oh, no, it didn't. Elastigirl and Violet. So I got the whole family. I thought they were cute. I'll probably maybe save them. Maybe put them in my grandson's, I might say Easter basket. In his Christmas stocking. And then I found the Monsters ones, y'all. I found Roz and Randall. Aren't they cute? And then I found, let's see, Roz and Randall. And then Mike and Sully. Mike and Sully. You see those? And then my grandson was complaining that his father threw away his little army men. So I picked up just this little bag. It has 50 pieces. So I'll probably give that to him today. To play with them. I don't know what he's going to do. Alright. Let's see. This is some more stuff for the pantry. Found there at my store. Vinegar is a natural disinfectant, y'all. This one was 5% acidity. It's better than nothing. But look, this is a quart. I was surprised because normally you see the small bottles. So this is the 1905 vinegar. I'm gonna put this in my stockpile. Yes, we need it. Never know, never know. Look, guys, they also had a quart of hydrogen peroxide, which is also a good antiseptic. So I got two of those. I'm going to put them back in the bag so I can carry them to my little area where I have my stockpile of stuff that I might need. And I may not need it. We hope, right? I hope everybody's being safe. But if I don't need it, it's stuff that I will eventually use, so it won't go to waste. I picked up some pamper mushrooms. Probably cook something with those. And I saw this big can. I should have got more than one. I don't know why I didn't, but I don't care for them that much. But I thought it might be something to come in handy. It's the Campbell's pork and beans. This is a 19.75 ounce can, y'all. And then I picked up 2 of these Goya's chicken bouillon. And these are the little packets, I believe, yeah. So I picked up 2 of them. You never know when you might need some chicken broth. With some rice, put it in some rice or something. And I found this sweet relish. The Dollar Tree brand was a little bit bigger, but I wanted this brand, so I got it. And then for my Cinco de Mayo, I got this guacamole style dip. I don't know what's in it. So far, I don't see not one thing at the beginning that says anything about some guacamole. So if anybody tried this, let me know. So we'll be testing that out. Okay. Now, I'm trying to break nothing, but I guess I'm going to throw that over there. Alright. This is some cleaning stuff that I was able to find. But look how big this is. This is the 32 fluid ounce a quart fabric refresher by Fab Tahitian Summer Splash. I haven't seen this before, and so I don't know what it smells like. Let's see. I can't smell nothing. Oh no, it smells alright. Better than nothing. Look, I found this Lysol kills 99% of viruses and bacteria, so I picked that up. So I'll be using that in my bathroom. Toilet. And then I saw this Comet kitchen cleaner with bleach. This is a whole 24 fluid ounces, so this will go in my stockpile. I'm going to put all my cleaning stuff together. You want to come out and take a look? I can show you. I'm going to redo one of the crates that I, well, not crate, but stands that I have stuff on. want to organize it by like items. So then I found 25% more. This is the Ultrasound lemon scented dish detergent. So I got 2 of those things because that might be running out and then I can't wash my dishes. Look, somebody else hauled these and I normally don't buy these, but I thought I'd give them a try. I bought them before, but look, the little Unstoppables. I'll use it on my clothes. And guys, let's see. Oh, I bought this because I had bought a big bottle of Dawn and it ain't hitting on nothing. But this does good with the soap. I picked this up for ant bait because I have ants that come out sometimes in the patio. So I figured I could easily throw some of these out there. And they were only $1. Let's see how many came in here. 2. So that's not too bad, is it? And then I got this Pantry. This is the kills 99% of germs. Kills 99.9% of germs. Got this little small bottle, 9.5, because the tip is a gardening tip with this. Well, not gardening, the outside tip. And what you do is you take some of this, maybe, this is a small bottle, maybe half the bottle, and put it in a spray bottle with some water, and spray around on the patio, and it helps keep flies away. It works pretty good. Let's see. Okay. You know what? I think I'm going to stop it there and come back on part 2. So I hope you guys come back on part 2. And if you like this kind of content and you're new here, welcome. I appreciate it. And while you're here, why don't you consider subscribing? Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And I'll see you guys on the next.